Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to distribute tasks in ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to distribute tasks, you just simply have to open your ClickUp application at first and then just simply go to this section where you have all the tasks. I'm just opening this demo task of mine into here. Now just simply tap into this add assignee option and then you can easily add any of the people into your task and do the similar into other tasks too. For example, I'm adding other task into here and then tap to this icon while creating the task and select the person who you want to assign this task to and click to done button and create the task. This way you can easily distribute your task into ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.